Pop it like it's hot. 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 Pop it like it's hot.
Pop my $5.99 classic and spicy 50-50 popcorn chicken combo. Only at Jack in the Box.
SDCU Best of Broadway season tickets are on sale now with 5 shows you won't want to miss. Hadestown, winner of 8 Tony Awards, a love story for today and always. Hairspray, big dreams can change the world. Ain't Too Proud, the smash hit musical about the Temptations' journey to fame. Dear Evan Hansen, the Tony and Grammy award-winning musical about life and the way we live it. And Disney's Aladdin. Discover a whole new world of unforgettable beauty and magic. Order now to reserve your seats. BroadwaySpokane.com.
Your coverage? Why you bleep? You can't say it's copyright. But you can't say no. Guys, Road to the Big Easy, all month long on 4 News Now. Follow 4 News Now for all of your coverage.
Appleton in Spokane at the Fusu State Center for the Arts. Get tickets at BroadwaySpokane.com.